MTU is Germany's leading engine manufacturer. We employ various laser-assisted production techniques. Firstly, there is laser caving, which we use to introduce cooling air holes in high-pressure turbine blades and vanes, for example in the form of funnels. Another important laser manufacturing process is additive manufacturing. For this, we use selective laser melting to construct complex components. We construct a 3D model. We break that down in the computer into many horizontal layers. And the machine reconstructs the component layer by layer with local melting. The new laser technologies in the context of additive manufacturing provide a large spectrum for the future. They allow us to break down components in another way, to design lightweight construction and significantly shorten the production path. That means in addition to shortening production times, we have a huge cost advantage, which is currently essential in civil aviation. Demand from the aviation industry will increase in the future. For us, that means through lower approval of emissions, noise and fuel consumption, we are clearly required to design our components accordingly. It remains to be seen what the further development of this technology results in. A great increase in engine construction will take place. More than 30,000 visitors get to experience the latest photonics products and applications every 2 years in Munich. From science to product, experience the leading light at the world's leading trade fair, Laser World of Photonics.